Welcome to ECSU's first ever virtual open house. While April 18th was originally designed as a day for you to come and visit ECSU's beautiful campus to learn about all the wonderful things we have to offer, unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic has made that impossible. However, because Vikings are resilient and innovative, we have decided to recreate our open house and offer it virtually so that you can still see the great things happening here at ECSU. With over 30 majors in areas such as business administration, biology, kinesiology, and criminal justice, our academic programs are designed to prepare and support the academic growth of our students. Our signature program, Aviation Science, is the only four-year aviation science program in the state of North Carolina and offers concentrations in aviation management, avionics, and flight education. All of our premier academic programs are designed to prepare our students to become things like the next historian, mathematician, teacher, accountant, or pilot. At ECSU, our number one priority is student success. And our academic support services such as advising, career services, supplemental instruction, and tutoring are designed to assist our students as they navigate their Viking voyage. While we know academics are a top priority, we realize that a significant amount of growth happens outside of the classroom. And with our over 80 clubs and organizations, 12 sororities and fraternities, and numerous educational programs, we are committed to developing our students holistically. So today, I encourage each of you to take advantage of the many things that you will learn during our virtual open house. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your different offices that are featured. Again, Vikings, I thank you for taking time out of your day to join us for our virtual open house. And as always, Viking pride, Viking pride, Viking pride.